Most people get this wrong. They assume all DeFi platforms are identical. But the surprising truth about DeFi Chain is that it focuses on Bitcoin-backed decentralized finance, offering features that aren't available on Ethereum or other platforms. DeFi Chain is a blockchain specifically designed for decentralized financial applications. In my usage experience, I found that it allows staking, lending, borrowing, and yield farming directly on a Bitcoin peg network. One of the biggest advantages is its focus on security and transparency. Since it's a Bitcoin-backed chain, the platform benefits from Bitcoin's proven blockchain technology. Staking is straightforward. You can lock up DFI tokens to earn rewards, with yields varying depending on the duration and type of staking. Lending and borrowing are also available, with interest rates updated dynamically based on supply and demand. One thing to note is that liquidity pools sometimes require a minimum amount, so beginners should start small to avoid overexposure. The surprising truth about DeFi Chain is that it bridges the gap between traditional Bitcoin holdings and modern decentralized finance. Instead of converting to Ethereum or other tokens, users can leverage their Bitcoin value directly in DeFi applications, which is a huge benefit for Bitcoin-focused investors. On the downside, some tools and interfaces can feel less polished compared to bigger DeFi platforms. Transaction fees are generally low, but network congestion can slightly delay confirmations during peak periods. Security is robust, but users still need to manage private keys carefully. In conclusion, DeFi Chain is ideal for Bitcoin enthusiasts who want to explore staking, lending, and other DeFi activities without leaving the Bitcoin ecosystem. For those willing to learn the platform, it offers unique opportunities that traditional DeFi platforms can't match. Subscribe for more honest DeFi platform reviews to help you navigate the evolving world of decentralized finance.